Today, I'm going to teach you how to turn orange peels into ethereal incense. No complex rituals, no need for feng shui or talismans, just one orange, a bit of patience, and we can transform kitchen scraps into heavenly fragrance. Step 1. The glorious transformation of orange peel. Don't rush to feed the trash can with those freshly peeled orange skins. They haven't fulfilled their destiny yet. Lay them out on your balcony and let them bask in a three-night sun-infused spa treatment. Let the sunlight kiss every inch of the peel until all the moisture is gone and the aroma blooms. If you're in a hurry to reach incense enlightenment, bring out the microwave and give it a quick 3-minute awakening. Say magic. Step 2. The sacred powder smash. Once your orange peel is crispy, like a cracker, it's time for a little alchemy with attitude. Put on your incense-making gloves and crush them into smithereens. The finer, the better. Like celestial powder. If you're a perfectionist, send it into the blender or spice grinder for a dimensional collapse. It'll come out as soft, fragrant dust, ready for the next level. Step 3. Divine potion of the scent world. Time to bring out the digital scale. Accuracy is everything now. Orange peel powder takes the lead role. 4 grams of aged sandalwood powder backs it up with warm, woody vibes. And 2 grams of natural binder powder brings it all together. Add water slowly, 5 drops at a time. No rushing. Knead it gently as you go, until it forms a smooth, springy dough. You're not just making incense, you're summoning scent magic. Step 4. Molding and closed-door cultivation. Now pack your aromatic dough into syringe molds. Compress, shape, and seal in the spirit. Then escort your baby incense pieces to a cool, shaded spot. They need 7 days and nights of quiet cultivation. No sunbathing allowed. If anyone dares expose them to the harsh noon sun, you'll only be left with charred dreams and wasted spells. Step 5. Ascension, de-ignite, and transcend. After a week of sacred rest, choose an auspicious moment and light your creation. Just one match is enough to ignite a fruit-scented wonderland. The whole room transforms instantly into a celestial orchard, where orange blossoms and sandalwood swirl in divine harmony. Compared to this, designer candles don't stand a chance. Orange peels aren't tea, just for cleaning and deodorizing. They can fragrance your entire soul cycle. The art of incense begins not in temples, but right in your kitchen.